Hi there, my name is Chris, Sales Manager for Sound and Vision in Bolton. We're looking at a brand new range of TV today from Sony. The two models in the range are the KDL60LX903 and the KDL60LX903. So two screen sizes there, the 40 and the 60 inch. The model we're looking at here is the 40 inch version, but it's the same specification on both models. The only specification that is slightly different is the power consumption. On the 40 inch model you look at a power consumption of 100 watts, on the 60 inch it's 156 watts. Apart from that, everything else is the same. So just to briefly run through the specification for you, they are both 3D ready. The 3D technology is built into both TVs and you get two sets of glasses in the box with the TV. The glasses themselves are active glasses, they are powered. So on the glasses themselves you have a switch which is just underneath here. And we'll find it for you here, there we go. And it's on the glasses there and you just depress that there and it indicates with a little green indication on the glasses that the glasses are then powered. On the TV set itself, to get into the 3D settings, as I said, the set itself has a 3D technology built into it. You have a button on the remote control that says Options. You press the Options button and it will put you into the Options menu on the TV. And there you've got the 3D menu. If you come down there into the 3D menu, press OK. And as well as just watching 3D content on this TV, you can adapt it to simulated 3D effect. So no matter what you're watching on the TV, you can have some 3D aspect to it. And it works really well, it gives you tremendous depth into the image. It's almost as if you can reach into the screen and pull things out of the screen. It works very well. So you can adapt any 2D content on this TV to 3D as well. So we'll just come out to that menu just for a moment before we run through some other facilities on the TV. So as I said, the TVs are 3D ready. The 3D technology is built into the TV and you get two sets of glasses with the TV. They've also got Freeview HD built into them. So just through the TV aerial you can get BBC, ITV and Channel 4 in high definition. As long as you're watching this in an area where they are transmitting high definition signals through your normal terrestrial aerial system, you can pick it up on this TV. It has a HD tuner built into the set. They're also full HD, so there are three types of high definition out there, 720p, 1080i and 1080p resolution. It will cope with all three formats of high definition as well. They've also got built-in Wi-Fi technology, so yet again in the TV you have a button here which says Home. Press the Home button and if you've got wireless internet at home, the TV has got Wi-Fi technology built into the set itself, so you can get onto things like BBC iPlayer and a lot of other websites just through the TV set itself. So you've got catch-up TV and various other things you can go onto there as well. So you've got Wi-Fi technology built into the set. We'll just come out to that again. Also, they are 200 Hz scanning. If you take a standard TV which is 50 Hz, which means there are 50 pictures per second making up your image, these particular sets are 200 Hz. So you've got more images per second making up that image for you, so it's going to control with extreme movement really well. So any fast movement, sport, anything you're watching like that is going to be controlled really well on this range of TVs. They've also got a really high contrast ratio. The contrast ratio is in excess of 2 million to 1 contrast. So you get a very good black level, so very good depth of colour and really good detail in the darker areas of the screen. The reason they achieve this really good contrast because this technology is Edge LED technology, so they're also extremely slim panels as well. We're going to spin it round in a moment and have a look at some of the sockets on the rear and we'll show you just how slim these TVs are. The sound output on this range of TVs are also 2 times 20 watts, so 20 watts per channel sound output, so really good sound output from them as well. And yet again, we'll go through the sound menus in just a moment. So what we'll do now, we'll spin the set round and we'll have a look at the sockets on the rear of the TV. So here we have a view of the sockets on the rear of this particular set. At the top here you've got Ethernet port. As I said, you have got wireless technology built into the set itself, but you can hardwire it itself. So you've got an Ethernet port just here, which is your LAN connection. Down from there you've got a HDMI socket. Coming down from there you've also got another HDMI socket here. Further down from there we then have a SCART socket, just one SCART on the rear of this TV. Coming further down you've then got an optical out, so you can feed the sound digitally out to the TV. And finally you've then got your digital coaxial socket, which I said is a HD tuner, so you can get some free HD content through this TV as well. We've also got some sockets on the side of the set which we'll have a look at now. So on the side of the TV we've got a audio input at the bottom here which is in conjunction with the component in. Some games consoles and DVDs still use components, which is the red, green, blue connection, and the socket underneath, which is the red and white, is the audio feed. You've got your video input and the audio input just underneath. Above that we've also got a headphone socket, which is the green socket there. You've got the headphone input. You've also got coming up from there basically a cam slot, so if you want to get ESPN and so on, you can do so on this TV by pay-per-view cards. You've then got another HDMI socket on the side of the TV, which is just there, and you've also got another HDMI just above it as well, so you've got another 2 HDMIs making 4 in total. Up from that we've then got the PC input, which is like your VGA socket there, and you've also got an audio input feed there for it as well. And finally, just above that, we've also got a USB connection as well. So that completes all the sockets on the side and the rear of the TV. We'll now just spin the TV back round and we'll have a look at some of the functions on the menu. So just a quick recap there on some of the features on this range of TV. As I said, they are Wi-Fi technology built into the sets. They are 200 Hz scanning, contrast in excess of 2 million to 1, Freeview HD built into them, so you've got a free HD service built in there as well, and they are full HD technology, so you've got up to 1080p resolution. The sets themselves are Edge LED, so they are extremely slim panels. You're only looking at a few centimetres in depth as well, so ideal for wall mounting, and all the sockets on the rear are recessed, so you've no sockets coming out of the back of the TV to take up room when you are wall mounting as well. So let's go through some of the menus on the TV. On the remote control, so we have a button that says Home. You press the Home button and it puts us into the Sony crossbar menu system. You've then got up, down, right and left on the keypad. If we click over to the left, it'll start taking us through the menu. We're now onto the internet sections on here. If I want to come down into any of those, we just jog down on the remote control here. And as I said, we've got Love Film on there, Sony's Entertainment of Television, FIFA World Cup Collection, and you just highlight whatever you want on there, press OK on the remote control, which is the centre button, and it will then load onto that website for you. There we go, and it's now loaded onto that FIFA website now. And it will start loading clips up here then from the World Cup, and you will just click on one of those clips and you can watch that footage on there live. And I said it's just logging onto there now. We'll just come out of that and return back to that menu, otherwise we will be here all day. As we come through that, we've got preset music clips into the TV. You've also got photographs and images that you can store on the set itself. You've got a USB slot on the side of the TV, so if you've got a memory stick with photographs on, you can slide it into the side of the TV and you could view your images and have them full screen. You could have them on the screen and use it as a large photo frame as well. Stunning picture quality, absolutely superb. If we come further along that menu, I'm going to the display menu. You've then got all your picture settings, and once we go into the picture settings on there, you've got all the adjustments for the backlight, contrast, brightness and colour, and you just jog down those particular ones there, and then once you're on the one you want to adjust, just press OK, and then you can alter the sharpness and so on there as well. It's a spectacular range of TV and the specification is second to none. There's also some great offers running at the moment from Sony as well, so if you click onto our website, which is soundinvision.co.uk, you'll find all the latest offers running on this particular range at the moment. If you'd like more details on this range of TV, please give me a call. My name is Chris on 01204 861 861. Or go through to our website, which is soundinvision.co.uk, or call into one of our stores. We have a store in Bolton and in Leeds. These products are on permanent demonstration in both those stores and are set up for 3D demonstrations as well. If you're watching this through any other link, there may be a little click at the side of here where you can click through, which will take you through to our website. And once you go through to our website, you will find there are hundreds more video clips on there on TVs, amplifiers and speaker systems as well. So as I said, if you would like more details, please give me a call personally. My name is Chris on 01204 861 861. Thank you.